This is a Panasonic RX-F5 soft touch boombox from around 1983, 1984. The motor is dated September of 1983. This is a really nice small boombox with actually quite a few features. The build quality is excellent. There's brushed aluminum. This top is all brushed aluminum, which is really nice. It's heavy. There's no inverter, so it doesn't plug into the wall. It does through a wall wart and a 9-volt AC adapter. It has the Panasonic ambience. Of course, it's stereo, tone, balance, and volume, of course, controls. But what's really cool is it's got line in, line out. It's got left and right speaker, like passive speaker outputs, headphone, and then left and right microphone. So you can really plug anything into this, even now, and play through it. And yeah, it's a really neat boombox. Now, when I got it, of course, it's old and didn't want to play cassettes. So I replaced the 3 belts in the cassette mechanism, and then there's 2 belts that run the tape counter. So 5 belts total. And in this one, I actually also had to replace the clutch felt in the take-up spindle because it refused to play a tape without stopping every 5 seconds. And I thought it was the belts at first, and maybe it was, but even after replacing the belts, I was still having the problem. So I dug into the playback spindle and took that all apart, took out the felt, which looks like this. It's a little washer of felt, and this is all old. You can just tell it's old and crushed, probably not providing the right amount of resistance that it used to. So I got onto Amazon after measuring this, which is about 1 millimeter thick, 18 millimeters in diameter. And I found something similar, which I believe goes to like a trombone or some sort of musical instrument. Although this is quite a bit thicker. This is maybe 3 millimeters thick, about 18 millimeter diameter. I went ahead and replaced the felt in the clutch with one of these, and it seemed to do the trick. So that's an option for you if you're looking for felt for your compact cassette mechanism clutch. So yeah, let's take a listen to this. Got some music, man.
I could love.
Really sounds pretty good.
Being in love, what a lovely dream, and yet somehow being in love's only half of what I'm longing for now. And so then tonight I'll be in there dreaming and hoping that someday there'll be just once somebody being in love with me.
So really, it's working out pretty well. Of course, the radio works as well.
Dom for Silterhar Motors in Broomfield, your battery electric car.
Seems to pull in everything. So anyway, that's the Panasonic RX-F5. It's a really nice, small little boombox, high build quality, and I might be keeping this for myself.